All right, so let's see. Today is Friday, April 6, 11:50 p.m. It's almost midnight. And what I'm doing here is I'm working with Miss Serena True over here. And the picture's a little fuzzy, but I am your host, Mr. Alan Mammerl. And what I have for you today is just our demo of our senior project and a little progress of what we've done. Let's see, first to start off, so for our project what we're doing is basically controlling robots with our tablet, and we have two of them here for demo purposes. And what I'm going to do is send one command from our tablet over our wireless network to our server over here. This is just a code, it's not running right now, and then the server is going to push that data through the USB port and into the wireless XB modules. It's going to be received here on our robot, okay? And it's going to be received through this little guy right here. Microcontroller is going to process it, and it's going to perform the command that we actually send over. So let's go ahead and do this really quick. Got to run my server. Just give it a second right here. Here we go, running. All right, so my server is waiting for a client to connect to it. Our client over here is our tablet. And I'm going to go ahead and start this. There we go. So first command I'm going to give it is just a command to shoot a laser. And here we go. I'm going to click on the button really quick and send it. There you are. That's it. Shooting a laser. Let's look at the laser itself. There you go. And this is a sensor that we're still developing. On the robot itself, let me just go over the parts. Motor controller, embed microcontroller. Let's see. And that's pretty much it. A wireless XB. On this one, this robot here, it's a little bit different. Instead, it's using a different microcontroller that's running a real-time operating system. Same components, otherwise. And let's see. Oh, over on this computer, I use this computer to monitor the data that's being sent over our XP modules. I have Hercules running here that just basically displays the commands that I'm sending over. And right now I only have one character command, so I send over letter F, and what that will do is tell the robot to go forward and then backward. As you can see, if you look over here on the monitor on our server, it's actually printing out the commands I'm sending. And let's give it one more command, which is basically reverse, and we're just using the letter R for that. Okay, go forward. Yeah, so there's still lots to do. Over on the server side, we have our teammate Felix Medina. He's working on the database, so we could start saving data. And over here we have Brigitte, who's been working on this robot, and it's working right now, but still needs a little bit more testing and a little bit more development. So going back to the app, got some cool features on here. And let's see, let me just disconnect from the server with this tablet. All right, so my server is waiting for another client. It's going to be this client over here. Going to connect. So this is basically kind of a little prototype of our app. You have little 4 tanks, and we just arbitrarily place them on the screen. Doesn't matter where, but so you could tap, drag, and we're still working on a lot of bugs, but you got this nice little trail which isn't supposed to be happening, but essentially that right there is our tank, and we just moved it. And move another one. There we go. And the other ones don't move up. We got one moving. So that's that. Something we're working on, still trying to work out the bugs and kinks in that. Pretty cool. Reminds me of Tron. And let me just exit out of that and show you something wrong with that. Show you the title screen of our app, Robot Wars. So you press to continue. Another little cool thing is our credits. Credits to all the people who have helped us out, teachers, students, colleagues. So we got all the names in here. Team, advisor. Don't forget the copy department. So loud. Then, let's see, we got acknowledgements. We list a bunch of teachers, a bunch of friends, and music. All right, and that's it. That concludes our demo.